Hey my candy canes. Today this is my first mukbang video. Today I made tacos and nachos. You can see. So let's get into it. Let's get into it. These nachos. Take the first bite. Mm. 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 5. Mm. We missed Taco Tuesday yesterday. So today, on a Wednesday, it's our Taco Tuesdays. I got more videos coming up for y'all. This is my first video, so don't judge me, y'all. Look at that. Mm. 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 And I got some orange soda to drink. Let's try some of these nachos. Mm. Look at the nacho. Mm. Mm. Excuse me. It's fine. I'm gonna eat all of this too. Mm. This is so good. Mm. It's so good. Mm. Mm. This is fine.